Hello children, today we are going to discuss on things to be remembered. Things to be remembered is related to our whole lesson. Our lesson number 2, the magic of seeds. In this, we are going to understand what are the important points of this lesson. And before starting this explanation part, let me give you HW. I underlined some of the vocabularies. Those all things related to homework. Read and write one time in your classwork and by heart these vocabularies. Let us start this. Things to be remembered. The fruits come from the flowers. The fruits carries the seeds of a plant. Anyhow, I have shown you these pictures and I have explained you. Moses, fern, lichen and fungi do not have seeds. Fern, fern, a green plant with no flowers and a lot of long thin leaves. This is fern. And now fungus. Fungus and fungi. Let me explain you the meaning. Fungi is nothing but plural form. Fungus is nothing but singular, we can move. A plant that is not green or does not have leaves or flowers. For example, mushrooms. Or that is like a wet powder and grows on old wood or food or walls, etc. Some fungi can be harmful. Some fungi can be harmful, children. And one more thing, lichen. It's a plural form, lichens. A very small grey or yellow plant that spread over the surface of rocks, walls and trees and does not have any flowers. There are two methods by which seeds can be sown into the soil. What are the methods, children? Direct method and indirect method. Indirect method is also called as? Yes, transplantation. Now let us come for grafting. Grafting is a method by which a plant is untied with another. Grafting is a method by which a plant is united with another. Grafting is a method by which a plant is united with another. Land plants grow possibly everywhere. And you have explained you. Land plants grow possibly everywhere. All crops do not grow in all type of lands. So this was your explanation part. Today's explanation part, very important points. Read this, by heart this vocabulary. Work on worksheets, children. That is very important for you all. So now you got to know about these all important points which is related to this lesson. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, comment me in comment box. And who did not subscribe this channel yet, subscribe the channel.